How to troubleshoot camera not working in Reolink. Camera not connecting to a Reolink app is a common hurdle, but often fixable with a few troubleshooting steps. Let's get the camera back online and visible. First, always start with the basics. Is the camera powered on? For Wi-Fi cameras, is the Wi-Fi signal strong where the camera is located? For wired cameras, is the Ethernet cable securely connected to both camera and your router? Try restarting both camera and your Wi-Fi router. Next, ensure that the Reolink app has necessary permissions on your iPhone. Go to iPhone settings, find Reolink, and ensure local network access is enabled. Also check if your camera's firmware is up to date. Using the Reolink client on PC as outdated firmware can cause connection issues. If problems persist, a factory reset of a Reolink camera is often the most effective solution. Locate the physical reset button on your camera, press and hold it until you hear a prompt. Then go back to a Reolink app and re-add the camera as a new device from scratch. This usually resolves most connectivity issues. You've learned how to troubleshoot a Reolink camera not connecting. Get your security system back online. Like and subscribe for more Reolink troubleshooting guides.